In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to extract data from Deepseek. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Deepseek, the first thing we need to do is open the sidebar on the left, then select our profile at the bottom. Now we need to go to settings. From here, we need to go to the data tab. Now to the right of export data, we need to click export. Then when it appears, you need to click download. Going to our downloads folder, we should have this zip file, which we need to simply unzip, which provides us with this file. If we open this, we should see two JSON files. If we open the conversations.json file, this will provide us with an extract of all the conversations we currently have on Deepseek. We can try to make sense of this, or we could copy and paste this into an AI chatbot such as Deepseek and type something along the lines of, "Can you make this Deepseek conversation extract more readable?" It has now listed out all the conversations that were provided in the extract in a more easy to read format. That's all we have for this tutorial on extracting data from Deepseek. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.